Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Summary of national income. This video is regarding basic concepts of national income for MCQs and short question based paper from Principles of Economics. First of all, gross domestic product GDP is the market value of all final goods and services produced during a specific period of time, usually 1 year, within the geographical boundaries of a nation. GNP is the market value of all the goods and services produced in a country in an year. NNP, Net National Product, measures the value of all final goods and services produced in a year less the value of depreciation. National income means the sum of all incomes which are earned by the factors of production, that is, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur in an economy in a year. PI for personal income is the total income received by the individuals of a country from all resources in 1 year. The deduction of the income tax from the personal income provides disposable income. Per capita income means the average income of the whole population in a country in an year. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income or GDP over total population. Real income is the income of nations after adjusting it for inflation. Nominal income is the income of individuals or nations without adjusting for inflation. There are three main methods for the measurement of national income: production method, income method, and expenditure method. National economy is divided into various sectors to calculate national income. In production method, value of total production and services is added up to measure national income. According to income method, annual monetary rewards of all the factors of production are added up to measure national income. National income can be calculated by adding up public and private expenditures according to expenditure method. The process in which the national income and expenditure of an economy flow in circular way and shows equality between both is called the circular flow of national income. Income transfer from one party to another party without exchange of goods and services is called transfer payment. Depreciation means the fall in the market value of fixed assets due to the use or due to age. Payment made by the government to producers so that they charge a lower price of their products in the market is called subsidy. Free or unpaid services refer to the self employment without any reward. Double counting is the act of including the value of raw or semi goods more than one in the value of the national income calculation. Investment means a process of putting money or saved income in an economic activity where profit is expected. Saving is that portion of income which is not consumed. Real GDP is the value of GDP at constant prices. The ratio of nominal GDP to real GDP into 100 is termed as GDP deflator. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.